So I've had this Evil Energy oil catch can for a couple years now. Got it from Amazon. It comes with everything you need, even that aluminum bracket that hangs off the side. It's pretty much a universal install. It's got a handy little dipstick on the top. You can pull it out. As you can see, there's oil in there. It's dirty oil. All you need to do then is spin off the catch can itself, which it's a fine thread, so it takes quite a few revolutions to get off there. But it is pretty handy. It's got a nice O-ring seal around the top. It's easy to spin once you do get it broke loose. As you can see there's the O-ring coming down. Now I've been using this catch can for a couple years now. And generally I empty it probably once in between every oil change interval. And this is about how full it is. It's about a little over half every time. It catches everything that would normally go back into the valve covers. So you take the hose off that comes out of the crankcase breather and returns to the valve cover. And then you just pretty much interrupt that with this catch can. The catch can does a great job of getting this out, keeping this from going back into your motor and being just recycled time after time after time. Every time it's about that dirty. And that's about every 3,500 miles. So you take a rag, wipe it out, get it nice and clean. And that's pretty much it. You dump out the old stuff and then clean it out with a rag. After that, you can put a little bit of lube on that O-ring if you want to put it back on. But generally, I just spin it right back on. It only takes one hand. Once you get those threads started, man, it really goes on there. It's easy. It's quick. I mean, you can do all of this in under, I would say, a couple minutes. So if you're looking for an easy, quick solution to keeping all the junk out of your motor, give this a shot. You can find them on Amazon, eBay, pretty much anywhere. They're a universal fit, and I think you can't go wrong. Have a great day, and God bless.